These are pretty simple to make and even more fun to make. Start by putting 1 tablespoon of oil in a hot skillet. Heat it until lightly smoking. Add grains by the handful to the hot skillet. Roll the grains around in the skillet until they pop. Then rinse and repeat until all the grains are popped. Let the popped grains cool in a paper towel lined bowl. While the grains are cooling, combine butter, sugar, water, and a bit of salt. This is the syrup that's going to hold the popped kernels together. Cook this mixture on medium-high heat until it boils. You can add any flavorings you like at this point. I'm going to add a bit of Thai basil to half of the syrup, then I'm going to use a caramel sauce today as well. To make the caramel, just cook this sauce a bit longer until it browns a bit. Now I'll put the bowls together. First, drizzle each kind of syrup on each kind of grain. Then stir the grains to get them evenly coated. Finally, form a popcorn ball about a tennis ball sized sphere. Then lightly roll through the popped barley to get some of that crunch in there. Now let's plate these. The basil and caramel are done. They're sweet and a bit tangy. I put a bit of cayenne in the caramel, and the Thai basil has a bit of licorice or anise bite. Don't those look great? They're light, sweet, nutty, and crunchy, with 2 flavors to choose from.